Python coding. Welcome to lesson number 3. Coding a house step by step with Python Turtle. Coding a house with Python Turtle. By the end of the lesson, we'll create a picture like this one using code. Objectives. Students will be able to use basic commands in Python Turtle, explain how our turtle moves to create shapes, use a loop to repeat commands, and create a simple picture using code. Before we get started, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, convert math input to float, and remember Python is a case-sensitive language. Today you will learn what Turtle Graphics is, write simple Python commands, use directions like forward, left, and right, draw a house using code, and try adding your own details to the house. What is Turtle Graphics? Turtle Graphics is a fun visual way to learn how to code. Turtle Graphics lets us control a small turtle that moves around the screen. Imagine a tiny robot holding a marker. When we give the turtle instructions, it moves and draws lines. Computers follow instructions exactly as we write them. Opening the coding tool. Today we will code using Trinket. Steps. Open the coding page. Find the code editor. Get ready to type the program. And remember, the code will tell the turtle what to draw. Step 1. Import turtle. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? This tells Python that we want to use the turtle drawing program. Why we need it? Without this line, Python does not know that we want to draw. What happens if we skip it? The program will show an error message. This is what it should look like. Step 2. Create the turtle. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? We create our drawing turtle and name it T. Why we do this? We need something to control when we give drawing instructions. What happens if we skip it? Python will not know which turtle to move. This is what it should look like. Step 3. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? This controls how fast the turtle moves. Why we use it? A slower speed helps us see how the drawing happens. What happens if we skip it? The turtle may draw very quickly. This is what it should look like. Step 4. Change the color. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? This tells the computer what color to make the turtle and to fill in the shape when it is done. Why we use it? We can make the turtle draw in different colors and color in the shapes. What happens if we skip it? The turtle will draw in black and it will only draw the outline of the house. This can also happen if you pick a color that the Python doesn't already have. Step 5. Finish filling in the house. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? This tells the turtle that it is finished drawing the shape and lets it know that it is time to finish coloring it in. Why we do this? It lets us draw with more detail and color. What happens if we skip it? The house will be an empty outline. This is what it should look like. Now let's draw the roof. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? The turtle draws two angular lines that create a roof and fills them with the color yellow. Why we do this? The angles create a triangle roof shape. What happens if we skip it? The house will look like just a square. This is what it should look like. Step 6. Move to draw the door. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? The turtle moves down to the bottom of the house. Why we do this? We need to move the correct location before drawing the door. What happens if we skip it? The door may appear in the wrong place. Step 7. Draw the door. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? These lines draw a small rectangle for the door. Why we add it? It makes the house look more complete. What happens if we skip it? The house will not have a door. This is what it should look like. Step 8. Finish the drawing. Copy this code. You can pause the video while you type. What this means? This keeps the drawing window open. Why we use it? So we can see the finished picture. What happens if we skip it? The window might close too quickly. This is what it should look like when you press run. what we learned. Today we learned how to use Python to control a turtle, move the turtle forward, turn the turtle left and right, repeat commands using a loop, draw a picture using code, and fill shapes. Keep watching if you want to learn how to fix common mistakes. When we learn to code, mistakes are normal. Programmers make mistakes all the time and fix them step by step. Here are some common problems and how to solve them. Mistake number 1. The code won't run. Problem: you see a red error message. An example of this is a name error. Why this happens? Python cannot understand something in the code. Here's how to fix it. Check spelling carefully. Make sure every command is typed correctly. Look for missing letters or symbols. And before and after the fix, here's an example mistake and the correct version. Mistake number 2. The turtle is not moving. Problem: the program runs but nothing is drawn. Why this happens? The turtle might not have a movement command. How to fix it? Make sure the turtle has commands like going forward or left. These tell the turtle what to do. Mistake number 3. Indentation problems. Problem: Python shows an indentation error. Here's a sample error. Why this happens? Python needs proper spacing for loops. Here's how to fix it. In this example mistake, t.forward 100 has to be indented one space in order for it to be inside of the loop. To fix it, you have to add a space before the command. Below you can see the correct version. Mistake number 4. The shape looks wrong. Problem: the house or square does not look correct. Why this happens? The angles or distances may be incorrect. Here's an example. How to fix it? Squares need 90-degree turns. Here's the correct version. Mistake number 5. The window closes too fast. Problem: the drawing disappears quickly. Why this happens? The program ended before the drawing stayed on the screen. Here's how to fix it. At this line at the end, turtle.done. Here is a final reminder. Coding is like solving a puzzle. If something does not work, read the error message, check your spelling, check your spacing, try again. Every programmer learns by testing and fixing their code. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.